What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if mobile data is slow on your Redmi 13. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down to open quick settings panel, and from here turn on the flight mode and wait for 10 to 15 seconds, and after that turn it back off. It will refresh the mobile data settings, and after that the mobile data will start working properly. But if you're still facing the slow mobile data issue, then check your network signals. So if you are getting 3 or less than 3 bars of signals, then it means your network connection is poor. So move to area where you can get good signals, and after getting good signals the mobile data issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue after getting good signals, then the last solution is take out the SIM card from your phone, clean it with a clean cloth, and after cleaning the SIM card put it back in, and after that the mobile data will start working properly. So that's how you can fix the slow mobile data issue on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.